This is a 2014 Ford Kuga Trend, presented for sale by Team Hutchison Ford in Christchurch. Vehicle's colour is frozen white. Power comes from the 1.6 litre Ecoboost turbo engine, which develops 134 kilowatts of power and 240 newton meters of torque. Transmission is a 6-speed Tiptronic auto. Vehicle is all-wheel drive, comes standard with 18-inch factory alloys. Roof rails are standard and also privacy glass in the rear. Copy of the vehicle's fuel saver, so it's only 7.7 litres per 100 k's on a combined cycle. As mentioned, we have the 6-speed auto, we have heated front and rear windows, dual zone climate control and a premium Sony audio system. Vehicle has dual front airbags, front side airbags and full curtain. Electronic brake force and emergency brake assist are standard. Vehicle also has dynamic stability control, which help the vehicle achieve the maximum 5-star safety rating. Rear of the vehicle, 3 proper seat belts. We have the partial leather trim, both front and rear, and also ISOFIX child seat fasteners in the back. Vehicle is very solid construction, come fully imported from Spain. You'll see this vehicle's door is all one piece. Several of our competitors, you'll find a weld across here and the other side here. So obviously this is a more expensive production method and also a much stronger and safer one. Rear of the vehicle has factory reversing sensors with the Park Pilot screen, which I'll show you shortly. Dual tip rear exhaust, so open the boot. Large cargo area with the retractable cargo blind. Vehicle has a proximity key, which once you enter the vehicle, you simply put your foot on the brake and then push the power button, which is in under here. A lot of features inside the vehicle to go through. So as mentioned, we've got this premium Sony audio system, which is single CD and obviously fully integrated for your iPod devices and Bluetooth devices. Digital sound processor as well, so various different equalizer settings. Now if I engage reverse, you'll see the Park Pilot come up, so the closer I get to an object, the colours will appear with the audible beep as well. Vehicle has electric power steering, so very light at low speeds. As you can see there, we have the trip computer. Now we also have radar cruise control, so it's radar assist, so you can set it to, if I turn it on here, you'll see the standby mode come up, and these bars here represent how close you'll be to the car in front at the predetermined speed. So if I've set it to 100 and I come up to a car doing 90, the distance here that I've put in comes into play and it will adjust my speed accordingly. Various functions on here to control your Bluetooth. We've got voice control, or Ford's latest sync system. So if I push this here.
Sync, please say a command.
Help.
Sync help. For a media device, say user device, USB, iPod, iPin, or Bluetooth audio. For settings, say phone or voice settings. For more information, see your user's manual. Please say a command.
Cancel. So as you can see, very easy to use, much easier once your device is paired to the vehicle, and you can shortcut that whole process. A few other functions in here. If I push the end of the indicator switch, comes up with lane keeping aid and also the tracking aid. So if I'm following, it's tracking the centre line, and it will apply just a slight amount of torque to follow that centre line if it thinks that you've become drowsy or paying attention to the surroundings. Also give you a vibration through the wheel. We also have a blind spot monitoring system with a yellow light that will come up just on the side of the mirror. City safe is standard, so it speeds above 3.7 and below 40. If the vehicle recognises reflective glass and a number plate in front of you, it'll apply the brakes and come to a complete stop. So if this vehicle is of interest, please feel free to call us on 0800 buy Ford, or visit the dealership 186 Churm Street in the central city of Christchurch. Easiest access is up Churm Street from the hospital end. Normal business hours are Monday through to Saturday. 8:30 till 5:30.